Reloading.
Enemy killed.
Thirty seconds left. One enemy remaining. Reloading.
Enemy spotted A. Enemy spotted A.
Enemy spotted A.
Spike planted.
Get out of here!
One enemy remaining.
Bet you can't keep up with me.
I'm the survival expert of the Adventurers Guild. Nice to meet you.
A hilly turtle. Quick, get it! These monsters have been getting too close to the city recently. My task this time is to clear out their camp.
Windblade!
Rashford tries to get it forward quickly. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Goal! Manchester United! Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Yeah, and he knew all along what he wanted to do, and it's
Just brushed off the ball there. Rashford. It's Rashford! And yes, it's there! And with that goal comes comfort. And that's it. That was always inevitable.
Be released left.
And he's onside. Well read, he's sorted that out. Has a pop! Yes! And they are pulling clear here. Great reactions in front of goal. He just saw what was on.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
but you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins, you didn't say nothing about roads.
I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes Rap's cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Max this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
That was a sick jump.
Bel-Air, honey, let's make you fly. Yeah! We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You done the impossible, Jets. You shut up Mac.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Frost! Frost! Get switched on! We gotta move now!
The Imperial Army is recruiting volunteers.
Cao Cao, did you find what it was you were looking for? That's why you agreed to help put down the yellow turbans, right?
Indeed. Though I served as an official in Luoyang, I never really saw the plight of the people. However, the world is in more trouble, than I ever anticipated. We shall eliminate these yellow turban rebels that are targeting the village. Xiahou Yuan, come with me.
Now's their chance to attack the village. Let's go, you rebel!
Who are you, eh? You got guts picking a fight with the yellow turban.
You really want to get in the way of the yellow turbans? In that case, you'll have to deal with my quick feet and my strong arms.
Impressive, cousin. You truly are the one that will conquer this land.
Tire of you.
But how? I've got to get out of here. Fast!
Okay, that takes care of the yellow turbans in the area. I couldn't have asked for a better result than this.
Yes, that takes care of Master Sun Jian's request. Now, let us return to the village.
Wow, that was awesome! I get worked up just watching you. Ooh.
Nothing can stop me from fulfilling my ambition!
Oh, that's it! Show us how it's done!
We have driven off the yellow turban army that was headed this way. That should keep them at bay for the time being.